So hey again everyone, I just wanted to give you a quick update on another little project I've been working on. This is KCS's, one of their F3 units, number 94, and as you can see it's pretty beat up, so and that's what I was going for. So this unit is was leased out to North Louisiana and Gulf Railway for a little bit of time, and back in the mid-70s, and I don't know what happened to it. Looks like they damaged it at some point because they replaced 3 panels on the side. If I can zoom in there just a little bit, and those 3 panels looked like they came off an engine that was painted white, so and then painted over red and a little yellow behind the letters to make the letters kind of yellow, but they were actually white again, which they weren't supposed to be. So just wanted to give you an update and show you that. I'm making this for Diesel Detailer too, so people might want to know my techniques. I don't really have a technique. I don't kind of plan things out. I just kind of do them and see how they turn out, and if I don't like it, I start over again. So this one turned out pretty well though. So I painted it primer gray first of all, then I painted the red over it, and then I airbrushed the white on the 3 panels, and then kind of dry brushed the red and the yellow in the middle. So luckily with the Vallejo paints are so thin, they go on really smoothly. But I got the Walthers detail kit for the grab irons, at least most of them. Walthers doesn't make the one for the corners on the rooftop. So if you look on the hood of the cab, if I can focus in there, sorry about that. Doesn't focus real well when I get up close, but I had to actually bend those and make those myself. So anyway, I did put a dual headlight in it. I just cut that out of a piece of aluminum and put 2 brass rods in there. So if you can see the Mars light going, it's actually a dual headlight. So anyway, the horns on there are Leslie A200s. This has got a Tsunami 2 sound decoder in it with a pretty large rear speaker. Good thing about the F units is you can put a good size speaker in them. So anyway, I will leave you with that and give you some more updates as they happen.